All right, I'm doing this from my phone. Now, when you sign up, you see your dashboard, you see buy shares. You see buy shares here. You see buy shares. You click on buy shares. Once you click on buy shares, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. No, this is where it's going to bring you to. You see buy shareholder shares. Buy shareholder shares. This is for somebody that doesn't want to be a co-founder, probably by choice, or does not have the capacity to be a co-founder. Now take note. Once I tap on this buy shares, look at automatically it brings me to full payments. So also it's the same for somebody that want to become a co-founder. Once I tap on this co-founder, it highlights the purple color there, and then it now brings me to choose your payment option. The same thing for the person that want to buy shares. Now, if you want to buy shares, again, tap on this one here that is showing, tap on this place, buy shareholder shares. Once you tap on this, it will now show you choose your payment option. You now click on full payment. If you are not doing instrumental payment, once you click on full payment, it will now bring you to continue to purchase. Yeah, continue to purchase will now highlight in purple, and then you tap on continue to purchase. Once you tap on continue to purchase, it will now bring you here. It bring you here. For you that is using USDT, you will not be bothered about all of these particular details that you are seeing here. I want to show you the details that you will be bothered with. Now, the company soon will get our internal payment system ready for USDT. Let me go to the dashboard. Let me come to the now the dashboard is completely loaded, and if you see, you are going to see wallets. So this is where the USDT payment will be done. The UI and the UX currently are being integrated. It just because there are a lot of paperwork that needed to be done because of the government, just want to protect people from getting to the wrong hands. So we are done with all of those paperwork. So very soon this payment will be available. All right, but for now that this is not available, the company is doing the payment manually. So you are going to get a wallet address which you are going to send your money to for the purchase of your shares. And once you have done that, see what you are going to do. You come to your buy shares, come to buy shares, and then you click on buy share, and then you see choose your payment option, full payment. You are doing full payment, and then you come to continue to purchase. Look at it, continue to purchase. All right, you tap on continue to purchase. It brings you here. The next thing that you are going to do is come to this place here. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. Yeah, you enter the number of shares that you want to buy. You enter the number of shares you want to buy here. You enter the one. Tap one. Once you tap one, you tap here. Look at it. USDT coming soon. USDT coming soon. So after that, what you do is just click on calculate to look at it, calculate purchase. Click on calculate purchase. Yeah, once you click on calculate purchase, sorry, yes, it's good, so that you understand. Yeah, take note of this naira payment. Change naira payment to manual. You change naira payment to manual by clicking here. Click here, and then come to manual bank transfer. Manual bank transfer. Tap on it. All right, it brings you here. Then after that, you come to calculate purchase. Take notes. All right, so all of these, while we are doing all of this, is for you to come to this place that shows you transaction number. Yes, transaction number. You will copy your TX ID after paying your USDT, sending your USDT to that particular wallet that will be sent to you, wallet address that will be sent to you. You paste the transaction, the TX ID here, and then you take the screenshot of the entire transaction, and then you upload that screenshot here. You tap here to upload the screenshots. All right, for example, you can see this, you can see this, you can see this. So that's what you do. The entire screenshot of the transaction. Then once you click on it, it will now appear here, and then you click on submit payment proof. Once you click on submit payment proof, your back office will load, and then it will change to a shareholder back office. Once it changes to a shareholder back office, you are going to see your share that you bought appearing there. So this is how simple the process is. So this is where you put your TX ID, and then the screenshot of your transaction, you upload it here, and you click on submit, and you'll be fine and good. So this is just the step-by-step process on how to buy your shares. All right, thank you very much. Bye for now. This is my humble self once again, Henry.